my dears, welcome back. In the previous class we discussed about grid reference, right? Today we will study about contour lines. Contours are imaginary lines drawn connecting places having equal elevation from the sea level. The altitude will be marked with each contour lines. These are called contour values. Two different landforms and their contour representations are given. Don't you see that the value difference between contour will always be equal? The difference between the value of two adjacent contours is called contour interval. The closely spaced contours represent steep slopes and the widely spaced contours represent gentle slopes. Three things can be assessed from the contour lines in topographic maps. They are altitude of the place, nature of the slope, and shape of the landform. Let's see how the shapes of landforms are determined using contour lines. This can be done using two methods. Method 1. Assessing the topography directly from the contours. This is a contour line. Place a paper strip across the contour pattern. Mark A and B at either ends of the paper strip. Mark and label the values of the contour lines cutting across the paper strip. Transfer these contour values onto the x-axis of a graph paper. Choose a convenient scale and mark the contour values on the y-axis. Draw vertical lines from the points of contour values on the x-axis. Intersect these vertical lines against the corresponding values in y-axis and mark the intersecting points. Join these points by smooth curves. Thus we get the shape of the landform represented by the contour lines. Method 2. By tracing out the contour lines. Copy the contour lines on a tracing paper and draw a line AB through the center of the contour and mark the contour values. Draw the x and y axis below the line AB. Mark the values of the contours on both the y axis in an appropriate scale. Join equal values on both the y-axis using narrow lines. Draw vertical lines from the points where contours cut across AB. Mark the points at which these vertical lines intersect the horizontal lines. Join the points with smooth curves and shade the area using a pencil. Thus we get the shape of the landform represented by the contours. Let's conclude today's class. What we learned today? Yes, today we learned about contour lines, its uses in topographic maps, and also we learned about how to determine the shape of landform using contour lines. Hope you all understood today's class. Meet in the next class with the continuation of the chapter. Thank you.